Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ShahSirClasses. I am Shah Sir here. My dear students, this is a video for those students who are finding difficult in geometry, either of any standard, irrespective of your respective classes. You can belong to any board, either CBSE board, ICSE board or Karnataka state, any board. Okay, this is the must video for you all in case if you are finding geometry as difficult. Now, a small question for you all. Arithmetic is a bit easy for you to understand. Algebra is also a bit easy to understand. Then why can't geometry? I have found most of the students are finding difficulty in geometry. They are unable to identify the steps. They are unable to make their own steps to find the solutions. Why is this? Because why it's so happening? What is the reason behind that? The reason is very simple. Your fundamentals are weak. You are weak with your basics. So today we are going to start the class for 10th ICSE mathematics. So this is not only for 10th. Don't think that this video is only for 10th standard students. So this video is for all those students who are finding geometry as difficult right from class 8th standard. Okay. Without wasting much time, let me begin with the concept of similarity. Children, if you want to understand similarity, the very first thing I believe you should know about the principles of congruence. First, you should know what is a figure. What is a figure? Okay. Any shape is said to be a figure. Any geometrical shape, it is said to be a figure. Am I right? If you are going to take a point, it is not a figure. It's not a figure. If you are going to consider any 2 points and you are going to draw a line, that is not a figure. When the figure will arise, when it's going to start, when we have minimum 3 points. Whenever you have any 3 points, if you are going to join, any 3 points, if you are going to join, then you will get a figure. Any 4 points, if you are going to join, then you get a figure. Any 5 points, when you are going to join, that is said to be a figure. The figure can be anything. Either it can be a triangle or a parallelogram, trapezium, anything. Any quadrilateral, any triangle, any pentagon, anything, it is a figure. Now my first question is, here in our syllabus, we are going to study first and foremost, very important thing is about congruence. So today we are going to have a recap on those points. How can we say any two figures are congruent? First step. But so we are studying about similarity. It means we are studying about similar triangles. We are going to study about similar figures. If you want to know about similar figures, believe me, first you should know what is congruence. Because this congruence will be very helpful for you people to solve any problem when you have certain things which is unknown. समझ में आया बेटा? Please understand this point. Again, I will repeat. For an example, if I give you two things, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. All three sides values I have given. Is it so difficult for you to tell this both the figures are equal or not? We can say easily, yes, they are equal, sir. They are same, sir. It's easy for us, right? When you know all the values, when you know all the dimensions, is it difficult for you to tell whether they are same or not? I will take here 10, I will take here 10. I will tell 10 equals 10. Is it difficult for you to tell 10 equals 10? Is this true or false? It's easy. We can tell 10 equals 10. Correct? But what we are studying, what we are studying, we are studying about those points, certain things we don't know. We don't know certain things. Certain things here also we don't know. Only few things we know. Only few values we know. About any figure, we know few values. We don't know everything. We don't know everything. We know very few things about that. By using those few things, now I have to come to the conclusion that whether they both are equal or not. समझ में आया बेटा? जब किसी इंसान के बारे में हर चीज हम जानते हैं तो हम हर चीज बता सकते हैं. We can tell वो अच्छा है या बुरा है. Am I right? When you know complete behavior of a person, then it's easy for us, right, to tell whether he's good or not. But here my question is, what we are going to learn in the subject is, we don't know everything. हमें उस इंसान के बारे में कुछ भी पता नहीं. 100% कोई कुछ भी बात पता नहीं. थोड़ी उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा हम जानते हैं. वो जो हम थोड़ा सा जो हम चीज जानते हैं वो यूज करके अब हमारे को फाइनल कंक्लूजन बोलना है कि वो दो सेम है या डिफरेंट है. That is what we are going to study in geometry. If you want to tell that the basic is congruence. First we will learn congruence. Then we learn similar. Then we apply this approach in numerous problems to solve any problem. You take any problem of your geometry, children. Believe me, in every problem we use this concept of congruence and similar to prove some things, to find the values of some things. Clear? So today in this class we are going to study about those things. My dear students of class 10th, I just want to ensure about the overview of the syllabus of similarity. If any students of class 10th ICSE board students, if they are watching this video, this is the video for you children. And also the basics what I am going to cover here, it is helpful for all the board students. This is the video for 10th standard exclusively, no doubt. But the basics, the foundation what I am going to cover here, this is for all the classes. Irrespective of any board, it will be helpful for everyone. Okay, as you can see the overview of the syllabus, we are going to understand here about the concept of similarity and conditions of similarity. It means that if you want to tell that any two triangles are similar, it has certain conditions. If those conditions satisfy, then only you have to tell it is similar or not. Clear? दो कंडीशन है बेटा, दो रूल्स है. वो रूल्स फॉलो कर रहा है, वो दो में से कौन सा भी एक रूल भी फॉलो हुआ, ये कंडीशन भी सेटिस्फाई हुआ, तो डायरेक्टली वी कैन टेल दैट देयर ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर. We are going to study about it, don't worry. And as a size transformation, we'll change the sizes, we transfer certain things, and we just come to the conclusion. No need to worry, we are going to study about those things, and we do the comparison. That is what? Yes, congruency. We are going to comparison with congruency and other proportionality. And here, if you want to tell any two triangles are similar, it should satisfy these three conditions. For congruency, we have five conditions. For congruency, we have five conditions. But for similarity, we have three conditions. Either of any three conditions, if any one condition satisfy, triangles are similar. Similar in congruency, we have five conditions. I'll tell you, don't worry. And believe me, children, you enjoy a lot. Sir, your introduction is boring, sir. Might be my introduction is boring, but don't worry. My climax will be very happy. Happy ending. We'll show you. Okay? Clear. And then, what we are going to study here? Simple. Here, we are going to study about three conditions, that is SSS, SAS, AA. So, what is this SSS, ASA, SAS? Sir, this is not for me, sir. I can't study geometry, sir. Don't worry, children. When Shah sir is here, no need to get fear. Good. Then, simple applications. We are going to use these conditions, but you no need to prove anything. Proof is not included. You no need to prove and show. Understood these conditions. And we are going to study about BPT, we are going to study about areas of similar triangles, and also we are going to apply this concept of BPT and areas of similar triangles with certain maps and models, with certain figures, with certain questions we are going to apply and we are going to check. Clear? Yes. Now learning outcomes. So what's going to happen if I am going to study this? What I am going to earn out of it? Simple. You will be able to understand about similar triangles, and also you can compare different triangles by applying congruency and similarity. criteria. And also, you can find the relationship between certain things. We are going to study, don't worry. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Welcome to Shah Classes. Shall we begin? Shall we begin? Good. First and foremost, we are going to understand about congruent, or let me say congruency. Okay. Congruent or congruency. देखो बेटा, we have 5 conditions. How many conditions are there? 5 conditions to prove. Let me take a figure called as a triangle. What is a triangle? Small question. Basic question. What is a triangle? A line segment which joins together and form a 3 sides. A line segment which has a 3 sides and it has joined together and it has formed a figure. That figure is said to be a triangle. एक लाइन सेगमेंट है बेटा. लाइन सेगमेंट का मतलब क्या? दो पॉइंट्स को अगर से हम एक लाइन से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज लाइन सेगमेंट. Any 2 points, if you are joining together, that is said to be a line segment. So here we have 3 points and here we have 3 line segments. These all 3 line segments joining together to form a figure called as a triangle. Now here, to prove these 2 triangles are congruent, then it should satisfy certain conditions. What are the conditions? Please listen. It's very interesting. Logic is simple. First rule is SAS. Yes. SAS. क्या भी बोलो बेटा, सबकी आस, सबको आस रहती है बेटा सास की. Am I right? Logic. सास, सबकी आस. तुम्हें भी जब घर को गए, सास क्या, सबको आस है ना, सास की. सास, सबकी आस. Will you agree? Yes. Will agree, sir. सास, सबकी आस. Will you agree? Yes. जब सास के घर को जाते, when you go to सास home, सास, yes, सास, mother-in-law. सास means mother-in-law. My logic is this. Yes, सास, सबकी आस. Will you agree? Yes. जब सास के घर को गए, सास पका को रखे, तो बैठ को खाती नहीं खाते हैं. कहाँ बैठ को खाती? कुर्सी पो, चेयर पो, ऐसा क्या बेटा, पाँव ये है. हाँ, ओके, लेग्स. बैठ को कुर्सी के ऊपर बैठ को खाती नहीं खाते, ऐसा. हाँ, बैठ को खाती नहीं बेटा. हाँ, RHS, राइट हैंड साइड, ऐसा चेयर रहते बेटा. चेयर के ऊपर बैठ को हमें बैठ को खाती. ओके, फाइन, क्लियर. बैठ को प्लेट में खाती. विल यू अग्री? सास, सबके आस. विल यू अग्री? यस. पका को रखे तो बैठ को खाता. लास्ट में क्या करती? सास का नाम बदनाम कर को जाती. सास का नाम उल्टा कर डालती. क्या कर को? एस ए. सी दिस वर्ड उल्टा, ऑपोजिट. यस की जगह एस की जगह ए आएगा, बीच में ए की जगह एस आएगा. Yes, these are the 5 conditions of congruency. Clear. I'll prove how it is possible. Children, I just request you people to make a note of these all points, because this will be very helpful for you to understand the basics of congruency. Okay, first we'll learn about congruency, then we study about similarity. Simple. Okay, so what do you mean by SAS? Observe here. I'm going to take 2 triangles. Okay, so let me name the triangle as ABC and PQR. Very simple. ABC and PQR. Clear? Good. देखो बेटा, first letter is what? Yes. Second, A. Third, yes. So what is S? Remember children, S means side, A means angle, S means side. Clear? Wherever you see S, that is side. Wherever you see a word A, that is angle. Clear? अब इसमें SAS में पहला लेटर कौन सा है? First, in any triangle, the corresponding sides should be equal. Corresponding side should be equal. Corresponding side should be equal. Condition 1. Condition 2. After the side, the angle which is included with that should be equal. And third side should be equal. For an example. So, you told everything I understood, but you said something about corresponding. What is the meaning of corresponding? Clear? Corresponding का मतलब बेटा इधर आप ये लेफ्ट साइड ले रहे हैं तो इधर भी आपको लेफ्ट ही लेना है. That is called as corresponding. If you take here left, here also you should take left. Clear? Here if you take right, here also you should take right. Here if you take base, here also you should take base. This is said to be corresponding. If you take this side left, here also you should take left. Here if you take right, here also you should take right. Here if you take base, here also you should take base. That is called as corresponding. Condition 1. Again, one more condition is there, children. What is the next condition? Please understand this. Understand this. I will mark a single line here. Can you see this? On this side, some single one mark I have marked it. Here I will mark one single line. Here I will mark double line. Here I will mark double line. Clear? 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 Good. Now, how to apply corresponding here? Here we have to apply corresponding that this single line arrow mark side should be equal to single line arrow mark, that is corresponding side here. If they have not given anything, then directly we can take AB and PQ. AB and PQ we can take. समझ में आया बेटा? Understood? Understood? Please understand the difference. Here I have not marked anything. I am showing you both the differences. Please be try to understand this. According to this figure 1 and figure 2, according to figure 2, if I have to take corresponding, what I can take corresponding? AB and PQ I can take corresponding. AB and PQ. If I take here left, here also I should take left. If I take AC here, I am taking PR. Here if I take BC, here I can take QR. According to this figure 2. Correct? Left with left, right with right, base with base. If I want to take corresponding according to figure 1, if I am going to take AB here, then I should take PR here. That is the point. Single arrow mark, single arrow mark. These two sides are equal. Understood? Understood figure 1? Wherever they have shown single arrow mark, in the next figure also wherever they have shown single arrow mark, that shows that these are the two corresponding sides. Here if I am going to take AC, here I should take PQ. Now these two are corresponding sides. Here I have not mentioned anything, then leave it. They have not mentioned. If they mention some 3 lines, here also 3 lines, then we can say that BC is equal to QR. Now BC and QR are the corresponding sides. First step. Clear? Clear? Understood the meaning of corresponding? Understood the meaning of corresponding? Sir. Here left, there also left. Right, right, base, base. If they have not given anything, if they have given something, some symbols or indications if they have given, then you have to take those things. Similarly, children, observe here. Similarly, one more thing which I just want to add on here. What is that? If I show single arc here, can you see this angle? Here I have shown single arrow mark. Understood? Here also I will show single arrow mark. What does it mean single arrow mark? This shows that angle A is equals to angle P. Here I will show double arrow mark. Here also I will show double arrow mark. What does it indicates? Is it equal? No, it is not equal. Why it is not equal? Here double, because I'll tell you. See here. Simple. Observe it. This arrow mark. I think it's not visible, right? Okay. Now, observe it. Can you see this angle A? This angle A is between this single arrow mark and this double arrow mark. Am I right? Can you see this? this arc, angle A, it is in between single line and double line. Then even here also it should come between single arrow mark should come between single line and double line. Between these two it should come. Clear? Now if I am going to example, if I show this as double arrow mark, can you tell me where this double arrow mark should come in the next figure? Can you name where this double arrow mark should come? Between single line and triple line. Can you see this? Children, are you getting the steps? This is single. This is triple. Can you see this? Between single and triple, I am getting double arrow mark. So where is single and triple? Next figure. This is single and this is triple. So where the double arrow mark should come? It should come at R. Understood the basics? Understood the basics? Yes or no? Good. So can I say here angle A equals angle P? Can I tell here angle B is equals to angle R? Then of course angle C will be equal to angle Q. Correct? Understood? Now this we call it as corresponding angles. This we call it as corresponding angles. Now can you tell me here according to this figure which all are equal? Can you name them? Corresponding angles. Angle A is equals to angle P. Angle B equals angle Q. Angle C is equals to angle R. That is called as corresponding angles. बेटा समझ में आया? How to apply corresponding sides and how to apply corresponding angles? Yes or no? Understood? How to apply corresponding sides and angles? Sure? Good. Now, let me use the condition. First condition is what about congruence, children? SAS. Clear? Side, angle, side. How to apply? Observe here. I am going to take two triangles as I said ABC and PQR. ABC and PQ. Which is the first side? Example, let me take AB. Here, how much we have the length of AB? AB अगर से 5 centimeter है समझो बेटा, ठीक है? So PQ भी 5 centimeter है. That is side equals side. See, this is first, this is second, and this is third. ये combination में रहना. पहले कौन आया? Side आया. कौन सा side आया? What side came? AB. पहले AB आया. Figure 1. Figure 2 में क्या equal आया? इधर PQ आया. First, we have taken the side AB. Here we have taken the side PQ. Side के बाद कौन आना है? Angle. Now I am going to assume angle A. I am going to take here angle A. If I take here angle A, what I should take here? Angle B. Side angle. Side हुआ, side को attached angle. फिर angle को attached side. This side. This side. That is AC and PR. Clear? It means that side AB is equals to side PQ. Yes. Angle A is equals to angle P. Side AC is equals to side PR. Now, according to this property, we can say that according to SAS, we can say that triangle ABC is congruentially equal. This is the symbol of congruentially equal. Congruentially equal to triangle PQR. Hence proved. In any figure, if you see this kind of condition, then directly you can tell that triangles are congruentially equal. समझ में बेटा? How can you say that triangles are congruentially equal? Understood? How can you tell that triangles are congruentially equal? Side angle side of first triangle should be equal to side angle side of second triangle, and you should go with the continuity. Side होना, side के बाजू angle लगको रहना, angle के बाजू side लगको रहना. समझे? If you follow this condition, directly you can tell that according to SAS, triangles are congruentially equal. Clear? Understood? Yeah, children. Now, next step, observe it. Now, can you tell me now these two figures are, can we apply SAS? Let me see. I am going to take two triangles, okay? Observation. It's very simple. ABC, PQR. Can you see this? Yeah. Now can you tell me, can I apply SAS here? Just tell me, can I apply SAS? Is this two triangles are congruentially equal? Quick. I need a quick response. Can we apply side angle side of, can I apply SAS here? And can I prove the triangles are congruentially equal? How many of you say yes? Please raise up your hand. These two triangles are congruentially equal. Congruentially equal. Congruentially equal. है ना बेटा? देखो इधर एक साइड है, एक एंगल है, एक साइड है, एक एंगल है, एक साइड है. It's there, no? It's there, no? Side angle side is there. Side angle side is there. Will you agree? Yeah. Now observe you. Very important. What is the first line? AB. Now can I tell AB is equals to PQ? Yes or no? Huh. Now can you see here something? Angle A. Where is angle A is lying between? Angle A is lying between AB and AC. Correct? Example. I am going to take this paper. Okay. Can you see this? Where is the main area which makes an angle? This angle. Can you see this? This is the angle. Am I right? This is a side. This is a side. This is a side. Between these two sides, one angle is formed. What angle is formed here? Even here also it formed the same angle. Correct. Now my figure is like this. This is my side. This is my side. This is my angle. This is my side. Side, angle, side. Is it same second figure? Is it same the second figure? Can you see this? This is side. Where is angle? Where is angle? This is a side. What I said, according to SAS, side, angle, side. First side should come. Adjacent to that angle should touching. It should touch with angle. Again, one more side should come. If that satisfies, then only the triangles are congruentially equal. Now tell me, is the triangles are congruentially equal? Why is this? Because side AB equals side PQ. Okay, we agreed. But angle and also side PQ is equals to side P. Sorry, just a minute. Side AC is equals to side PR. Am I right? AC and PR also are equal. But between these two sides, one angle should come, that is angle P, that is not equal. Here, they are telling that angle A is equals to angle Q, but that is not equal. It can't be equal. It can't be. No, we cannot apply this property. अब समझ में आया बेटा? समझ में आया? Sure? Concepts are clear? Side के बाजू क्या आना है? Angle. फिर angle के बाजू side. It means that if you want to apply SAS, two sides should be equal. Two sides should be equal and one angle should be included. One angle should be included between two sides. One angle should be included between two sides. Children, did you understood this concept? How SAS can be applied? How SAS can be applied? Now one more question can I ask? Children, these are the basics. Please don't think that, sir, what sir you are teaching. No, 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 no. This is the basics. Until unless you don't know these properties, you cannot prove anything in geometry. First, you have to learn these things. Okay. Today, one day you spend the time, children. But tomorrow, definitely, you are under a safe zone. You are under a safe zone. A, B, C, P, Q, R. Yeah. Now, can you tell me that is these two triangles are congruentially equal? Is these two triangles are congruentially equal? Sure. Triangles are congruentially equal? No? Okay. What essay is telling? Side. Side को कौन लग को रहना? Angle. Angle को कौन रहना? Side. Yeah. Now which is the single line here? AB. Single. And here who is the single? Is this both are equal? Side side है ना? Side. और एक side कौन सा है? AC. Here is PQ. Correct? Am I right? Yes or no? Here we have single line AB. We can say that the single line AB is equals to the single line PR. Second double line is side AC is equals to side PQ. अब ये सिंगल लाइन और डबल लाइन को लको टच कर को कौन सा एंगल है? एंगल ए. फिर इधर भी सिंगल और डबल लाइन को टच कर को कौन सा एंगल है? एंगल ए. नो ट्रायंगल्स दिस आर कॉन्ग्रुएंशियली इक्वल. My condition is what? Single line angle double line. Single line angle double line. चाहे ऐसा रहो या ऐसा रहो. I doesn't want those things. But I have a criteria. Single line double line के बीच में angle होना है. It is there. It is there. Between single line double line arc angle is there. In this figure and this figure. In this both the figures. Between a single line and double line one arrow mark is there. I mean one angle is there. Here also between single line double line one angle is there. It's there or not? It's there or not? It, let it be any shape. We doesn't mean about those things. But single line double line के बीच में angle चाहिए. बस उतना है. I hope the concept is clear for you all. Sure. Understood SAS? Side angle side? Good. Now dear children, now we are going to study about as. SAS? Sabki as. Now can we apply the same logic? What first should be equal? Second? Third? Can we apply this property now? Can we apply this property now? As you can see angle ABC and here angle PQR. Okay. Now first we have to take angle. Can you see this angle? Correct? Yes or no? Angle is there. Second, what should be equal? Angle. Here angle A. Here angle C. Here angle R. Angle, angle. Second angle, angle. Now it's my wish. I can take this side. Here if I take this side, here also I should take this side only. Same. I will apply the logic. One more figure. Same criteria. Same condition. Okay. Angle, angle. Angle, angle. Side, side. Clear? Now can we apply here? Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side of first triangle equals angle, angle, side of second triangle. Angle, angle, side of first triangle equals angle, angle, side of second triangle. No triangles are congruent. According to AAS. According to AAS. Angle, angle, side. Samjhe? Sir, my one small question, sir. Sir, I won't take this side, sir. I will take this side, sir. Is it possible they are equal? Of course, they are equal. We can tell congruentially equal. हमना condition क्या? अगर से अब देखो बेटा. For an example, simple. If I take this side, it means first I am taking this angle. Second I am taking this angle. Then I am taking third this side. If I have to come in this order, I am coming in this order, so I am taking this side. Since I am coming in this order, first I am taking A, then I am taking C, then I am coming to BC. So angle, angle, side. So I'll do one thing. I won't come in this order. No, I will mention this side and this side are equal. Okay. In that case, how to apply? First, I have to take this angle. Second, I will take this angle. Now, third is this side. Am I right? Angle side of first triangle is equals to angle side of second triangle. So the triangles are congruentially equal. Any doubts? Any doubts? Understood AS? And the third case is SSS. If I am going to take two triangles, as you can see, and also I have mentioned earlier, what is that? AB, PQ, AC, PR, BC, QR. What is it? What does this indicates? All the three sides are congruentially equal. How? Because side AB is equals to side PQ, side AC is equals to side PR, side BC is equals to side QR. So the triangles are congruentially. So this is the property of SSS. This is called as SSS. Any doubts? Any doubts? Good. And the third case is RHS. That is right hand side, right angle, hypotenuse side. What is the full form of this? Right angle, hypotenuse, right angle, hypotenuse side. That's the meaning of that. It means if I am going to take two triangles, which two triangles? Right angle triangles. If I am going to take two right angle triangles, let me name this as ABC. Let me name this as PQR. As you can see here, AC is hypotenuse. Here you can see PR is hypotenuse. Am I right? So what is this indicates? What this property says that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse values should be equal. What is saying? Hypotenuse values should be equal and any one side should be equal. Any one side should be equal. Any one side. Either you take AB or you take BC. Your wish. If I take BC, here I will take QR. Any one side should be. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse should be equal and any one side should be equal. Then such a triangles are said to be congruent according to RHS criteria. RHS congruence criteria. Clear? Understood? When can we apply right angle triangle? So hypotenuse value should be equal and any one side should be equal. Then it is said to be congruentially equal according to RHS. And at last, what is the next last property? ASA. Correct? SAS का उल्टा बेटा. First में SAS लिए तो उसका उल्टा करो. ASA. That's the meaning. Now can you tell me? Can you imagine? Now you should tell me. Let me see. I will mark here. I'll just name the triangle name. Okay. Now you can take any angle. First I will take angle A. Next you have to tell me. Now tell me. What all should be equal? First I took angle. Angle A equals angle P. Next side. Which side shall we take? AB. Shall we take AB? Okay, I will take AB. Then here I should take PQ. PQ. Next. A. A angle. A is angle. S is side. A is angle. Angle side. Next angle ona. First you tell me this and then you tell me here, man. See here. First I took angle A. Here I took angle P. Angle. Next side. AB, PQ. Side. Next angle. Just single word you tell, man. A, B or C. I told you, you have to go with the cyclic order. पहले in A1, बाद in A2, बाद in A3. What is one? One is angle A. One is angle A. Two should be side. I took this two side. And third should be उसे लग को angle रहना वो side को touch कर ले angle रहना कौन सा? Angle B. Angle Q. Now you understood. Now did you understood? It means that this angle is equals to this angle. This side should be equal to this side. Then adjacent to that, this angle should be equal to this angle. That is what this property says, ASA. Angle side angle of first triangle should be equal to angle side angle of second triangle. Difficult? Difficult? In any two complicated diagrams or figures, just you see which property matches. First you write these all three, five properties. अब ये पांच प्रॉपर्टी में पहले कौन सा एक साइड को अटैक करो, साइड से स्टार्ट करें, साइड देखो, साइड के बाजू कौन है, उसके बाजू कौन है, चेक करो. सेम ऑर्डर में सेकंड फिगर में भी है क्या, चेक करो. कंपेयर बोथ द फिगर्स, देन अप्लाई द प्रॉपर्टी, टेल देम ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंशियली इक्वल. Now my last question, dear students, let's see who will answer this. I have taken two triangles. Children, we have, later I'll tell you. Let me say ABC and DEF. Okay. I'm taking angle B here. I'm going to take angle E here. I will take BC. Here I will take EF. Here I will take angle A. Here I will take angle D. Now just tell me, can I apply ASA for this? No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir. No, sir. What is ASA is telling? Yes. First we have to start with angle. Can I start from here angle? Yes, sir. Angle. नको ये नको सर, एंगल के बाद साइड आना, एंगल के बाद क्या आना, साइड आना. सो आई विल टेक फ्रॉम हियर, दिस इज एंगल, दिस इज साइड. तो इसे लग को एंगल होना था, एंगल कहाँ है? इज इट देयर? फर्स्ट वी हैव एंगल बी एंगल, first we have angle, then we have side, then what we should get? Angle should get where? At C. It is not there, so we cannot apply ASA. Clear? Can we apply ASA here? Angle? एंगल के बाद कौन आना? साइड. साइड कहाँ है? इधर है. नको सर, एक काम करेंगे, ध्यान से अप्लाई करेंगे. एंगल, साइड, फिर एंगल का आना था, एफ के पास आना था, वो भी नहीं है. So we cannot apply ASA. I am not telling whether they are congruentially equal or not. Please don't get confused. I just asked you whether can we apply ASA for this or not. That was my question. Clear? Clear? Only we have five conditions. उल्टा जाना, सीधा जाना, no questions. If five conditions satisfy हो रहा, triangles are congruentially equal. If it is not following, then the triangles are not congruentially equal. Simple concept. Now, let me come to the conclusion. Dear students, please make a note. Triangles are said to be congruent. Please make a note. Triangles are said to be congruent. Triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape, if they have same shape and same size. Make a note. Triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. Next case. Next, conditions. Conditions. Make a note. Heading, conditions. Conditions. Point number one. Conditions. Point number one. In triangles, if two corresponding angles are equal, in triangles, if two, TWO2, if two corresponding angles are equal, then the third angle is also equal. Then the third angle is also equal. जब दो एंगल्स इक्वल है तो थर्ड एंगल भी क्या है? नो, नहीं देखो रहे तो भी, इफ दे हैव नॉट गिवन आल्सो, डायरेक्टली वी शुड टेल दे आर इक्वल. Am I right? Am I right? If two angles are equal, then the third angle is also equal. Next case, point number 2. If two corresponding sides, if two TWO2, if two corresponding sides of two triangles are equal, then the third corresponding side is also equal. Full stop. Next line, write down. This principle, next line, take down. This principle is known as CPCT. This principle is known as CPCT. Understood? Whenever we solve the problem, somewhere we write CPCT. Then you have to understand why we are applying CPCT, because two angles are equal. So I am telling third angle is equal. Understood? Because of CPCT. What is the CPCT full form? Corresponding parts. Make a note. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, or also we can say equal. समझे? Correspond CPCTC कर को भी बोलते sometimes. Sometimes we say CPCT, sometimes we say CPCTC also. Don't get confused. Means two are equal, so third is also equal. समझे? दो congruential equal है, तो third भी congruential equal है कर को. That is congruent. If two are equal, so third is also equal. That is equal. That's it. Understood? Children, did you understood? Yes, sir. Concept is clear about congruent? Yeah. Now please understand here about similar. To understand the concept of similar, we'll do one thing. I will differentiate both the things simultaneously so that you will understand about similarity. Okay? Please understand here carefully. In first case, I am going to mention about, make a note, triangles are congruent. Here I am going to say triangles are similar. Please understand this concept carefully. Now, how we can say triangles are congruent, and then how we can tell the triangles are similar. Okay. Now, here I am going to take two equal size and equal shape triangles. Okay. Let me name this as ABC, and here I am going to name this as PQR. And in this case, I am going to take one triangle a bit bigger triangle and one triangle a bit smaller triangle. Okay. Means shape is same, but size is different. This is big, this is small. I am repeating, shape is same. Shape same है. क्या है shape? Same है. Size different है. ठीक है? Let's prove how they are congruent and how these are similar. Let me name this as ABC and PQR. Okay. Now, as you can see in these two triangles, angle A is equals to angle P. Let me say. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Angle C is equals to angle R. Angle A is equals to angle P. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Angle C is equals to angle R. This we call it as corresponding angles are equal. What is this called as? Corresponding angles are equal. Come back to similar. A, P, B, Q, C, R. Here also angle A, angle P equal, angle B, angle Q equal, angle C and angle R are equal. So we can say that corresponding angles are equal. Clear? Understood? See, in both the cases, what we can see? Corresponding angles are equal. Now come back to this figure. Suppose I am taking AB, here I will take PQ. Here I will take BC, here I will take QR. Here I will take AC, here I will take PR. So what this indicates? This indicates that side AB is equals to side PQ, side BC is equals to side QR, and side AC or CA, both are same. Don't get confused. AC or CA, you can write anything. Side AC is equals to side PR. This shows that corresponding, what does this indicates? Corresponding sides are equal. Now come back to this. Is side AB and side PQ are equal? Just see the figure. बेटा इक्वल का मतलब क्या? फर्स्ट वो समझो. इक्वल का मतलब इन्हें 2 सेंटीमीटर है तो इन्हें भी 2, इन्हें 3 सेंटीमीटर है तो इन्हें भी 3, इन्हें 5 सेंटीमीटर है तो इन्हें भी 5. इसे बोलते हैं इक्वल. What is we called as equal. Now coming back to this concept. Okay, coming back to this concept, let me say this is 2 centimeter, then this is 4 centimeter. Let me say this is 3 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Let me say this is 4 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. Is this are equal? Is this corresponding sides are equal? Sure. Will you agree? Will you agree? How much is side AB? 4. How much is side PQ? No. They are not equal. Similarly, side BC is not equal to QR. Side AC not equal to side PR. But I am going to take the ratios. What I will take? Ratio. I am not telling AB is equals to PQ. No, I will take AB by PQ. What I am telling? AB by PQ. What is AB by PQ? What is AB? 4. How much is PQ? 2. 2 ones are 2 twos. The answer is 2 by 1. Correct? Answer is 2 by 1. And similarly, next shall we take BC? If you take BC here, we should take QR. Can you take the ratio? BC by QR. BC 8. QR 4. 4 ones are 4 twos. The answer 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Now shall we take AC? Yes, shall we take PR? Yes, how much is AC? 8. AC 6. Yes, sir. AC 6. 3. By PR 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Answer is 2 by 1. Can you see this? Can you see this? AC is 6. PR is 3. Now from this what we can conclude? We can say that AB by PQ value what we are getting, BC by QR value what we are getting, and AC by PR what we are getting are equal. Directly they are not equal, but their ratio means proportion. इसे proportion बोलते हैं. ये side by divided by ये side आया तो उसे बोलते हैं proportion. तो इनके proportions equal है. Directly they are not equal. Proportionally they are equal. How they are equal? Proportionally they are equal. How these are equal? Directly they are equal. Directly if they are equal, they are said to be congruent. Proportionally if they are equal are known as similar. This is the difference. This is the difference. Got the idea? Did you get the idea? Proportional का meaning क्या बेटा? Side divided by side आया तो उसे हमें क्या बोलते हैं? Proportional. Side equal side congruent. Side divided by side values should be equal. That is said to be proportional. Understood? Now please make a note. Make a note. Two triangles are said to be similar. Now these are the conditions. What is this? Conditions. Please make a note. Conditions. Two triangles are said to be similar. Two triangles are said to be similar. Two triangles are said to be similar if option 1 corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Option 2 corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. Are proportional. Or in the same ratio. Or in the same ratio. In the same ratio कुछ हमें proportional बोलते हैं. We call that only as proportional. Any doubts? Any doubts? What the difference between congruence and similar? Understood? Triangles है same shape. Shape क्या है? Same है. क्यों? क्यों बोले तो उनके corresponding angles equal है. उसके लिए उनका shape same है. So, can you give me some live example for this similar? I'll tell you. Simple. Have you seen your photo anytime? Either you can make your stamp size photo or passport size photo. In that your photo only is there. कहाँ बेटा? हाँ. खाली क्या है? इधर छोटी है फोटो, इधर बड़ी है, लेकिन तुम्हारा मुंह, यहाँ मुंह, दो भी सेम है. इधर का बॉडी, दो भी सेम. बट ओनली हियर साइज इज स्मॉल, हियर साइज इज बिग. इसमें किसकी फोटो है? तुम्हारी. इसमें किसकी है? दूसरे की है? नो, इट इज ऑल्सो योर्स ओनली. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सिमिलर. हैव यू सीन ए माउंटेन? दूर से देखो, शेप छोटा दिखता. As you go near, it becomes very big. But shape remains same. Sorry, shape remains same. Only there is a fluctuation between size. Have you seen your mobile photo? Once if you are capturing any photo of someone, you can zoom in, you can zoom out. Either you take the pic from zoom in or you take the pic from zoom out. That is same picture. But only size, only the size difference will be there. That is similar. Any doubts? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Concepts are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now take down some rules. As we had 5 rules, right? In congruence. सास सबकी आस. Will you agree? Yes, yes, yes. पका को रखे तो बैठ को खाती. कहाँ? चेयर को. RHS. बस सास का नाम उल्टा कर को जाती. That is ASS. That is the logic of congruence. Then, sir, what is the logic of similar? If you want to tell the triangles are similar, we have 3 rules. Which are the 3 rules to say the triangles are similar, children? Can you name them? First is SAS. Important beta. SAS नहीं तो चलता नहीं काम. क्या होना बेटा? SAS. The first is SAS. Understood? क्या? What is the first rule? SAS. SAS होना जरूरी है बेटा. SAS नहीं तो चलता नहीं. SAS जब भी नजदीक तभी रहने, दूर तभी रहने बेटा. कभी भी फोन करे तो कब आती? आओ घर को. आओ करी बेटा. ये either you say ये or you say ये both are same. Let I'll tell you about these things. Don't worry. सास क्या करती बेटा? जब इनको या बेटी को कभी भी फोन करे तो आओ करती. कब आती है तू? कब आती तुम्हें? Am I right? Understood? Will you agree this? सबके घर में होता नहीं होता? होता बेटा. Yes. Only these are the 3 rules of similarity. Which are the 3 rules of similarity? Yes, say yes. Yeah. Yes. Please make a note about these points. The first note is yes. Make a note. That is called as yes. Similarity. Yes. Similarity criteria. Make a note. Heading. Yes. Similarity criteria. Underline. Write down few points related to this so that definitely it will be helpful for you, because we are studying this chapter in detail. That is the reason I am giving more explanation related to this. Take down. If in two triangles, the sides of one triangle, if in two triangles the sides of one triangle are proportion to the sides of another triangle, the sides of another triangle, make a note, the sides of another triangle, comma, then their corresponding angles, then their corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding angles are equal, full stop, full stop. Next line. Hence the two triangles are, hence the two triangles are similar, hence the two triangles are similar. Let me understand what is the meaning of this. Okay, now I am going to take two figures, children, as you can see, one bigger and one smaller. Let me name this triangle as ABC. I am going to name this triangle as DEF. Okay, I will take this as 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now directly we can say that according to these two figures, side AB is equals to side D. Sorry, not equal. Side AB is proportion to side DE. Side AC is proportion to side BC is proportion to side EF. Is it true? Is this true? How much is side AB? 4. This is 2. Next AC 6. This is 3. This is 8. This is 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are 4 ones are 4 twos are. All we are getting 2 2 2. So here we got to know that the corresponding sides are proportion. Yes or no? अब इसमें क्या मालूम है बेटा हमना? Corresponding sides क्या है? Proportion में ही. If corresponding sides of the triangles are proportion, now directly we can say that ये होने की वजह से angles दे दे कोई. Can you see this? Angles they have given. कांते भी मार्क कर कोई हो कुछ shape. Angle A, angle D, angle E, angle F कोणते भी equal करको दिखा कोई? नहीं दिखा कोई. That's what I said to you in the beginning. We are using these properties because हमना फिगर में पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देखो है. They have not given the complete information. By taking few information, we are coming to the conclusion. अब हमना खाली क्या देखो बेटा, साइड्स इक्वल, साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन में ही करको दिखा कोई. करेक्ट. They have said sides are proportional. अब ये प्रॉपर्टी क्या बोल रहा? SSS property, what it is saying, if corresponding sides are in proportion, now directly you say that corresponding angles are equal. Who is saying? Yes, criteria is saying. SSS criteria क्या बोले बेटा? Corresponding sides proportion में रहे तो, yes, last days, if corresponding sides are in proportion, what SSS is saying? Corresponding angles are equal. So directly we can tell that therefore triangle ABC is, see children, this is the symbol of similar. This is the symbol of similar. Similar is able to. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Sometimes we use these 3 lines also. This is also 3 straight lines. This is also similar. But usually we use this symbol. Don't get confused. Any doubts? Any doubts? What is SSS is telling? If corresponding sides are in proportion, then corresponding angles are equal. Hence, the two triangles are said to be similar. समझे बेटा? देखो सास कहता करे तो भी दिल में बात नहीं रखते बेटा. समझे? सास क्या दिल में बात नहीं रखते. एक दिन लड़ते रहेगा लेकिन दूसरे दिन सिमिलर बना लेती. क्या करना हमारे जमी. अंडरस्टूड मैन? अंडरस्टूड. हाँ, सास क्या करते हैं बेटा? फोन कर को बेटी को आ माँ घर को बुलाती. हाँ, मेक ए नोट. ये मेक ए नोट. ये ये भी लिख सकती या ट्रिपल ए भी लिख सकती. ये सिमिलैरिटी क्राइटेरिया. हेडिंग मेक ए नोट. ये सिमिलैरिटी criteria. Heading. Dear students, I would like to tell you that Yet, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, ShahSirClasses, kindly do subscribe and click the bell icon. If you want to know and also if you want to learn from Shah Sir and get instant updates and notifications from our end time to time, don't forget to click the bell icon. And after watching this video, don't forget to share this video with your near and dear ones and also with your enemies and friends. Okay? Good. And click the like button and comment how is the session and what video you want to make me next. Come to the point. Yeah. Here is similarity criteria. Take down. If, sorry, in two triangles, make a note. In two triangles, comma, if corresponding angles are equal, if, sorry, in two triangles, comma, if corresponding angles are equal, comma, then, then corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. Then the triangles are similar. This is point number one. ओके खाली देख लो एंगल्स इक्वल नहीं तो क्या बोल सकते ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर पॉइंट नंबर टू if two corresponding angles if two corresponding angles next point if two corresponding angles of a triangles are equal if two corresponding angles of a triangles are equal then the third angle the third angle is also equal then the third angle is also equal. Full stop. Next line. Therefore, the triangles are similar. Therefore, the triangles are similar. Any doubts? Is the concepts are clear? Is the concept is clear? Sure. Yeah. Can we apply SAS to this? Please let me know. Similarity. I am asking about similarity. Can we apply SAS to this two figures? Can I apply similarity to this? Can I say that these two triangles are similar? Quick. What SA is telling? First side. अब इसमें बड़ी साइड कौन है बेटा? लेफ्ट साइड कौन है? AB. Left side is AB. Here left side D. If you have to show similar, then you should take divided by. Left by left you should take. Congruent means equal. Similar means proportional. AB by DE. What is AB by DE? 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Answer is 2 by 1, that is 2. AB by DE. Can we take next side AC? Then can we take here DF? AC 6, DF 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Answer is 2 by 1. So here we can come to the conclusion that AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. What SAS is telling? Two sides के बीच में एक एंगल आना है. Is it there? दो साइड्स के बीच में एंगल है. दो साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन है. दोनों का आंसर क्या है? 2/1. दोनों का प्रोपोर्शन का आंसर क्या है? 2/1. Two sides are proportion. Between two sides one angle is coming. Between two sides one angle is coming. Side angle side. Side angle side. Two sides are proportion. One angle included between the two sides are equal. Angles are equal. Two sides are proportion. Hence the triangles are similar. Now we can say that triangles are similar. Any doubts? Any doubts? Sure? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Confident?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Congrats. You are on the right path and also with the right person. Okay. Anyhow, So I'm just going to stop this session here. I hope you have understood this session and got to learn some basics related to about the congruency and similarity and got the difference between congruence and similar. And in our next session, we are going to start with numericals of your textbook. We are going to cover all the worked examples, all exercise problems, all miscellaneous problems of the entire syllabus. Okay? Take care. All the best. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. All the best. We'll meet soon.